Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text to Instagram stories. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, open your Instagram application. Then right here, click your story. Then you can select in your gallery or you will just capture. Then you can click this icon. Then you can add text here. You can also put a color in your text. Then click Send To. And beside your story, just tap Share. And tap Done. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!